Right, since I just posted about my brand SentialGem being featured on Beautify.tips, I figured I'd come on here and talk about it because I haven't talked about it in a little while. And I figured some people are new here and probably don't know that SentialGem is my beauty brand, and it is a powder that was made from aquamarine crystal on the mountains, Mount Antero in Colorado. And it is just a powder. This looks a little suspect, I know, but it's a powder. And it rubs right in, but it doesn't feel like talc because it's not talc. It has 32 minerals naturally from the earth in it, plus aquamarine crystal, and it can be used in any beauty product. And that's what I like about it, is I wanted to keep it super natural, that it could be put into anything and you don't have to go out and buy a whole new product. So you can put it in your moisturizer, you can put it in your serums. What it does, because it has all these natural vitamins and minerals in it, like magnesium, calcium, iron, zinc, naturally from the earth, we didn't put anything in it. It helps to hydrate your skin, so it adds extra hydration to your skin. It helps draw out hydration, so if you're feeling dry, especially in the winter, and put it in a moisturizer, it will make it last longer and feel really soft. It also reduces redness. It's really good for eczema or any skin issues that you may having related to dryness and all of that. So I love it. It's like a multivitamin, that's what we say, for your skin. And it's an additive, so you don't have to worry about anything. You can put it in your foundation, which I have done. I've put it in hair care products. I put it in men's shaving products because it works really good for men. When they shave, they get and see less redness and bumpiness, so that too. It's only $32, so it's the perfect product.